Welcome. If you've ever received a file through Google Drive and wanted your own editable version, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make a copy of any file that's been shared with you, using the Google Drive app on your phone. No more worrying about accidentally editing the original or losing access. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it for free from your App Store. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Shared tab. This is where you'll find all the files that others have shared with you. Now, scroll through the list and find the file you want to copy. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, or even a presentation. Once you've found it, look for the three dots next to the file's name. This is the Options menu. Tap on those three dots to open a list of actions you can take. From the menu that appears, select Make a Copy. Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate of the file, but you're not done yet. Next, you'll be asked to choose where you want to save this new copy. Tap on My Drive or any other folder you prefer and then hit Select to confirm your choice. That's it. You've now got your own copy of the shared file, safely stored in your Google Drive. You can rename it, move it to another folder, or start editing without affecting the original version that was shared with you. This process is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone collaborating on projects. It keeps your work organized and ensures you always have control over your own files. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. And if you have any questions or want to learn about other Google Drive features, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.